It's a very common saying. No one's perfect. Adam and Eve could have used it as they were being forced to leave the Garden of Eden. Frequently, we use it to excuse our own mistakes. Sometimes we say it to excuse someone else we love. All too often, it's nothing but an excuse to allow our own imperfections to go on without any attempt to correct them. It seems that humans excel at that. There's actually much that I could focus on here, but this is just a glimpse, so I'll make it quick. While this expression may be used of simple mistakes, it also seems to be a frequent excuse that is actually skirting another expression that isn't common enough. That expression is, I'm sorry. You see, if our imperfect actions have hurt someone, someone needs to hear that. Not a glib pass-off on responsibility that everyone knows anyway. We all know we're not perfect. If this is a case of sin, those sins have consequences. We may have hurt friends or strangers or neighbors, church members, family, but most importantly, God. Next time you're tempted to say, well, no one's perfect, ask yourself, did I hurt someone with this imperfection? If so, replace it with, I'm sorry.